Welcome to Engineering, Build, Create and Innovate.
Good morning, college and teachers. Today we will present some of the most relevant engineering programs and the qualities needed to success in these programs. We will then hear the opinions of two experts in these areas. Kicking off the presentation are my two colleagues, Jogan Figueroa and Ricardo Wilson, who will talk to you about systems engineering.
Systems engineering is a field that focuses on the design, development, and management of complex systems. It combines different areas like software, hardware, and process to make sure everything works together smoothly. They create and improve computer systems, work on networks, develop software, and make sure systems are efficient and reliable. This career usually takes around 4 to 5 years to complete at a university. I believe I'm a good fit for this field because I'm good at math and is really enjoy learning about technology. Computers, programming, and systems have always caught my attention, and I love finding logical solutions to problems. That's I think systems engineering is the right path for me.
Number 1. Logical and analytical thinking. Problem solution skills, interest in technology. Essential to solving complex problems, the problem analysis. 2. Smoothing skills. Assistant energy involves ability to find effective and creative solutions. 3. Interest in technology. The field requires extraordinary 4. Ability to work in a team. 5. Organization to discipline. 6. Analyzing technical decisions. Weigh pros and cons. And addressing possible errors. 7. Effective communication. Being and not explain technical ideas to not a technical people. And work with clients knows is a vertical. Curiosity and wills to learn. Technology evolutions quality, so it's important to keep learning constantly.
We continue to talk about mechatronic engineer with my partner Nicolas Restrepo and I, Thomas Gonzalez.
The mechatronics engineer is a multidisciplinary field that combines the principles of mechanics, electronics, and computer science to design, develop, and control intelligent systems. It integrates mechanical systems, sensor actuators, and control systems to create innovative solutions. Mechatronics engineers design and develop products and systems that are smarter, more efficiently, and more precise. They work on a wide range of applications, from robotics and autonomous vehicles to medical devices and industrial automation. And the mechatronics engineer is a dynamic and rapidly evolving field that plays a vital role in shaping the future of industries and improving our daily lives.
Mechatronic engineer is a fascinating field that combines mechanical, electrical, and software engineer. To excel in this discipline, certain key qualities are needed. First, a strong foundation in mathematics and science is essential. Mechatronic engineers work with complex equations and scientific principles daily. Problem-solving ability is another crucial quality. Mechatronic engineers often face problems, challenges, and they require creative solutions. They must be able to analyze situations, identify problems, and develop effective solutions. Teamwork skills are also important. Mechatronic engineers often work in disciplinary teams, so the ability to collaborate and communicate effectively is essential. Additionally, curiosity and the passion for learning are vital. The field of mechatronic engineering is constantly evolving, so engineers must be willing to stay up to date with the latest technologies and trends. Finally, attention to detail is fundamental. Mechatronic engineers work with complex systems that require precision and accuracy. A small mistake can have significant consequences. If you have these qualities, mechatronic engineers can be a rewarding and stimulating career. We continue with information provided by Andres Murcia and Daniela Romero on civil engineer.
Civil school instant and mods. Civil discipline and sound and font internet current discipline construct and then font and font instruct instant and print round and then civil engineers for the income and font school form abilities in endurance of mathematics and stone most and the and its come system the something and then something turn fragment and fins and then and very mental system and the entangle and common skin school and nerves and don't and young conjure and government officing the entangle appreciate and the similar and then count and something drink and commit to apprend apprentice soon as long as the grants comes of its life for economic.
Civil engineering is a branch of environment what focuses on the maintenance, construction and maintenance of essential infrastructure for the betterment of society. This includes roads, bridges, funding, dam, water, pipes, systems, sewage network, and more. Civil engineering and specific solutions what improved people quality of life that also manage large scale project coordination that environment and social impact in humanity. Civil engineering the responsible for bullet that environment will set in our daily lives.
We conclude the information of these careers with the contribution provided by Dana Ceballos and Valentina Yanke on chemical engineering.
Chemical engineering is a branch of engineering that combines chemistry, physics, mathematics, and biology to solve problems involving the production or uses for chemicals. Chemical engineers design processes to create products we use every day, such as food, medicine, fuel, and plastics. They work in various industries, including pharmaceuticals, energy, environmental protections, and materials manufacturing. One of the roles of a chemical engineer is to make processes more efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly. They use computer models and situations to design equipment like reactors, distillation columns, and filtration systems. Safety is also top priority as many chemical processes involving hazardous materials.
Chemical engineering is a branch of engineering that focuses on the things optimizing and oversight process where raw materials are transformed into useful products such as food, medicine, fuels, or materials. Chemical engineers combine principles of chemistry, physics, biology, and mathematics to solve problems related to large-scale production and industrial processes. To study field, it's important to have a strong foundation in science, especially in chemistry, math, and physics. In college, students take subjects like thermodynamics, unit operations, chemical kinetics, reactor design, separation process and process control. They also learn to use specialized software and work in teams to find safe, efficient and sustainable solutions. It's a challenging career but a wide range of opportunities and lot of potential.
Now, let's welcome two experts who will be joining us for the upcoming Q&A session.
Hi, my name is Paul Arango Peralta. I am 23 years old. Actually, I am studying biomedical engineering at the Military University.
What motivated you to choose your engineer career?
I choose my career motivated by help other people and also to applying all the knowledge about technology, science and innovation.
How do you stay up to date with technological advances in your field?
To stay up to date, I am reading and searching news about technology applied in the health field, and also I am now in biomedical projects applying math and biochemic terms.
Hello everyone, my name is Edwin Ruiz. I am 40 years old and I have been working on a civil engineering during more than 20 years in different sectors, public and commercial. So today we are going to talk about some questions about the civil engineering.
What has been your work experience so far?
Okay, first of all, my experience, it focused on the principal in the public sector. I has given me the chance to involve in a range of projects from structural design and site supervision to the project planning and coordination. I will work on both residential, commercial developments, and each one allowed me something that new about balancing technical accuracy and safety and real-world constraints.
What are the most challenging projects you be worked on?
The most challenge that I have been working on as civil engineer, I think, is to work in a multi-story building construction in a densely populated urban area. So we faced a major logistic challenge like a limited spacing for equipment and environment. I think the most critical important project is the construction from the different mall and shopping centers in Colombia and Latin America. And I coordinated between different teams, ensuring that the structural integrity and staying on a schedule despite unexpected issues really tested and our problems solved in a different ways. So, but also I showed me and how important teamwork and adaptability and in a deliverable successful project. This is, I think, the most important challenge. In amount, I think the most important project has been worked was more than 25 million US dollars in Latin America. And I consider this is a big challenge that I was handling my career life.